I think ArtWorks Cymru gave us as an organisation an opportunity to be able to reflect on what we do, why we do it, and also so it's sharing and really kind of having quite meaningful discussions and exploration of what good practice is, what's happening sort of worldwide really in terms of participatory arts, and sort of really actually being able to be better participatory arts providers.
You also find out really useful bits of information from places or practices that don't bear any relation to your own. So my practice is very much music and sound art, but you kind of find out other things from people who do drama or theatre or ceramic art, and they cross over into your practice. It's just really interesting.
As we're based in a very rural area, it can be very difficult for us to meet, share and exchange and develop best practice. So that's been an important part of what we've done. And also because we want to be able to contribute with our peers across Wales to develop really excellent practice. So we see it's both benefiting us but also a responsibility that we have as an organisation working in Wales.
It's very useful in terms of sector development, in terms of arts, health and wellbeing. To have the support of ArtWorks Cymru and the ability to meet and network with other people working in the same area, and also work together on a project that hopefully takes that particular area forward as well in terms of understanding and knowledge and sector support is really, really useful.
Probably if you go back and check with my community-based students, not my composition ones, but the ones I've been doing practice outside of the building with, probably find that if you look at the ones that are coming through now, as opposed to the ones that were coming through 10 years ago, I've got more rounded students with greater knowledge and understanding of the practice and who are better at the practice just because I've been coming to ArtWorks meetings. So it's improved me, but it's improved a good 100 students too.